Guess what? It's cocoyam vegetable soup. My marinated chicken that I'm going to use for this soup. So I already put my natural organic spices to it and I store it into my freezer. I have with me my natural organic bouillon spice that I'm using for this. Normally I don't use any cubes in cooking. I made my organic ones. In my next video I'm going to show you guys how I make my bouillon cube for cooking. I already added my chicken to boil. Then I stir it properly together and steam. You can see it's coming out, so the aroma is so good. Then I put it to cover and now I shake. Already added a little bit water and add my oil. The oil I'm using is palm oil. Then I put to boil. Here also I already added cocoyam, which isn't shown in this video, for a bit thickening. Then I put to cover. About 2 minutes I open to check how properly it is burning. Oh gosh. So I stir. Then I added native dry locust bean, washed pounded crayfish, stir it, put to cover. Then I'll be adding my catfish into it. I'll be adding my catfish into it and stir. At this moment it's giving. Then I add onions to taste. Added locust dry locust bean to it and pounded crayfish and put to cover. Here I already open to shake. Then I added a little bit water to it to boil. Then put to cover and allow to simmer. I will be adding my Ceylon spinach and pumpkin leaf and put to stir. I'm not letting this vegetable to overcook, so I put it down. And I will be serving this delicious soup with swallow. Try this, you're gonna love it. So yummy, so tasty, so delicious, so demure, so tasty. This is Opulence Park signature. Love you guys.